Hi, welcome to my video. This video is going to hopefully show you how to troubleshoot your speaker problems on a Audi A4. This is a B7 model, I think it is. It's a 2006. Basically, problem being that the car itself, when the radio is on, the passenger speaker is working fine. The tweeter speaker up in the dashboard's working fine, the center speaker, but this speaker and the tweeter in the door, this thing is not working properly themselves. There are other videos on YouTube that show you how to get the door card off. Basically, you remove the trim first of all. What you do is you work something in at the front end, you pop it off. There are a series of clips that go down, you can see them like little spigots here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then being careful on the end there's a little thing, so once you've popped this out, the door card, you have to pull it sort of this way in a forward motion to get it off. A few screws, etc. There's a couple of screws under the little panel here, there's 4 under the trim, 2, 3, 4, and there's 1 right at the center on the bottom. Once you've done that, you just literally pull the door card off, work it off, and get it at the top. I started looking at this, and there was actually no sort of defect really that I could see any in the wiring in here. So I started looking backwards, and I wish I'd done this first actually. But what I did is I actually pulled the grommet off, and then I could see an exposed wire. I just got a little piece of test wire, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold this. I'm going to put one end here on, it's the blue with the yellow tracer, so let me just try and see if I can video that for you, and the other end on the broken wire. So let me just get the wire in here, just bear with me 2 seconds. So I've got that on the back connected to the blue and yellow, and then hopefully a bit of volume, typical next bloody track. Okay, so then I've just proven it, hopefully. Can you hear that? No, quite clearly a broken speaker wire, which to be honest it's meatloaf, so it's probably not a bad thing that there's less speakers playing it, but there you go. So clearly it's got a broken wire, so I'm just literally going to rewire this, run a new little piece of wire back in through the loom. I'll probably bring it out the door card somewhere here, and I'll just splice into that, and that should be a job done. Okay, cheers, thanks for watching. But I was looking here first, but you'll end up taking the door card off anyway to rewire it. But there you go, hope it helps. Cheers then, thanks, bye.